Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer generated images into Photoshop branding easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new project. Select the dimensions appropriate for your branding. Generate your desired images using your preferred AI tool. Once generated, download the images to your computer. Locate the downloaded images in your File Explorer. Right-click on the image you want to transfer and select Copy. Return to Adobe Photoshop. In your new project, right-click on the canvas and select Paste. The image will be added as a new layer in your project. Use the Transform tool to adjust the size and position of the image as needed. To refine the image, you can use the Selection tool to isolate parts of it. Consider applying blending options for a seamless integration with the background. Once satisfied with the placement, explore filters to enhance the image. Check the color balance to ensure it aligns with your branding. If needed, add text to further convey your brand message. Utilize layers to organize your design elements. Save your project as a Photoshop file for future edits. Export the final design in your desired format. Review your design for any last-minute adjustments before finalizing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.